Hello there, my name is Dick Razik and I invented the Koul Tool. Recently we had a lot of requests on how to install Eaton Synflex diesel fuel line onto the barb fitting. Let me show you how that goes. Okay, in order to do this installation, I'm going to have to reverse the jaws from the way they're normally sent to you. They come this way here. So I'm going to turn this around, get a little more clearance. Okay, now that I got the 3/8 holder in position, I'm going to just slip the straight barb on. And then I'm going to put the hose on, and I'm going to make it just a little bit longer than the barb. Okay. Let's give it a little gentle start here. Okay, now that we got it all lined up, I'm going to take my impact gun, a little 3/8 impact gun, and we're going to run it on. Notice I didn't need a lube or anything. This hose is a little more difficult to do because it's got a nylon lining and it doesn't like to give like rubber does. So let's give it a shot here. Oops, forgot to tighten it. Okay, to do a 90-degree barb fitting, I had to make a special holder. Let me show you. I just got a piece of angle aluminum here, and I installed a stud in here, the same diameter as the fitting here, and so it fits on there. And it's important to line it up with the center line of the hose install. So in order, you just stick it on like this. And then I made a little support that goes under here. Okay, now that supports it and keeps it from going down when you're trying to install it. Okay, here we go.